Well, welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard, market analyst at Hantec on Wednesday the 20th of November. Let's look at Euro-Dollar, which had that rally in the last week or so, just creeping higher, but sort of hitting the old pivot band of the past couple of months between 110.60, 110.75 area, and sort of struggling to get through that. It is interesting that the market's just tailed off in that rally, a little bit back today, about sort of 10-15 pips at the moment. But look at these momentum indicators: 50 on RSI, neutral, flat, 0 on MACD, and also stochastics tailing off around neutral. So you've got this outlook within Euro-Dollar where you're trading between all the moving averages, which to be honest are relatively flat, and you're trading around this pivot line. And I think that this is a relatively neutral market, really. You're above 109.90, that old level of support which had been a pivot line through September, October. You held on to that support the other day, but tailing off underneath 111 big figure around that pivot line area, 110.60 to 110.75. I think it's a fairly neutral outlook. It'll be interesting to see how the euro responds now to this risk aversion that's starting to come back into the market. Tends to be seen as a bit of a dollar positive, so that would be a drag on euro-dollar lower. A little sign of that coming through today. Let's look at the hourly chart. We've sort of broken below the 110.60, this old pivot line again. So broken back underneath that today, and taken on sort of look at this drift lower of the RSI and MACD and stochastics at levels not seen for sort of a good few days now. So it would suggest certainly that the rally has lost its impetus. It's still potentially set to turn lower, but not decisively yet below sort of support. I suppose you could argue around 1040 to 1045. I think if it started to lose that, then you're looking at the lows again around 109.90. But for now, we're sort of still a little bit neutral, although starting to take on a bit of a more corrective bias on the hourly chart, which could filter into the daily chart and start to drag the market lower. So it'll be very interesting to see if this is the resistance that starts to now build at 110.90. And the market rolls over again, but just a slight air of negativity starting to creep back into Euro-Dollar. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.